I was thinking about selling my Q2 monochrome. I like a Q2 monochrome. So, I fancy trying medium format, digital medium format. So I was looking at GFX 50R and a lens obviously, to the value of about £2,900. This is MPB, so I guess a trade-in price from a Leica. Bearing in mind I paid just over £4,000 for it 7 months ago. All they're going to offer me now is £2,060. And they're still selling them for 3,700. I know there's a new model, the Q3's out, but man, that's about 70 odd, 80% markup they're putting on these. Anyway, shocking. Well, I was shocked anyway. I'll not be getting my GFX anytime soon, so I was hoping the Leica was going to pay for it, obviously. Damn it, eh? Damn it. Cheers, folks. Have a good day.